you know that if you use Microsoft Word, you can make $800 while at the same time earn that $800 passively? But how? Well, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get paid $800 and even more by using Microsoft Word, a software that I know everybody uses and you can't deny it. It's absolutely user-friendly, which makes it perfect for beginners. All you'll need is a phone or a computer and a stable internet connection to start. It's worldwide available and it's free. What more could you ask for? So let's get right into it. Now, as always, open up the default browser of your choice. Ours is Google Chrome, and then proceed to type in HireSign.com, and that should take you to here. Let's go through their website to know more about them, because we have to know about the website before getting into the money-making trick. Few benefits of working from home: better flexibility. With the work discipline, you are free to determine your own work hours, environment, lighting, temperature, setting, and more importantly, work in the framework that suits you best. There's more time. One of the biggest advantages of working from home is you are the key person who will manage when you work and when you have personal time. If your mornings are too busy, you're free to work at night. There's freedomness. Dirty office politics create stress and distractions. Home-based employment offers freedom. Nobody is there to keep you on your toes or tell you what to do, which means when you work from home, there is no supervision. Find work and get hired. There are typing jobs, online and offline typing assignments, which you can execute on MS Word, or paid survey jobs where you can input your opinion about various products and services that you use, and there are proofreading jobs as well, which you are going to be editing MS Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors. HireSign connects thousands of freelancers and people who are looking for skilled people for their small projects. We at HireSign encourage online workers who possess basic computing skills to come on board and make use of those skills. Through HireSign, freelancers from all age groups are earning a handsome amount of money. People from all areas of society, like retired persons, housewives, students, teenagers, are completing hundreds of projects every hour. Now, what kind of work can I get done here? How does anything you want sound? We have experts representing every technical, professional, and creative field, providing a full range of solutions: small jobs, large jobs, anything in between, fixed price or hourly terms, specific skills, costs, and schedule requirements. Just give us the details of your projects and our freelancers will get it done faster, better, and cheaper than you could possibly imagine. Your jobs can be as big or as small as you'd like and be fixed price or hourly. You can even specify the schedule, costs, and milestones. How it works: just browse and select a job. At HireSign, you have the option to choose a right work that matches your set of skills. You can apply for multiple job categories and just join the application process. After making up your mind and choosing a right job category, you can send your job application online. We have a multiple level review system for recruitment, and get hired and receive money. Once selected, you will go through a small training session and start working thereafter. You receive your earnings through PayPal and few other payout modes. Now, before we go on any further, why don't you leave a comment down below on where you're from and what you would rather use to get paid? PayPal, Payoneer, Bitcoin, whatever it is, let me know by commenting it down below so I can use it as reference for future videos. Now let's continue. If you want to start looking at the job openings, just click on this All Current Openings button and that should take you to here. Now let's go through all of the jobs available because you can try one and all, but we are going to be showing you the easiest one to do, which also pays the most. But first, we have typing jobs, earn $4 to $6 per page for 2,000 words. There's online and offline typing assignments which you can execute on MS Word or any equivalent software, as we mentioned earlier. And there are proofreading jobs where you can earn $5 to $10 per page by also using MS Word and editing those MS Word files and checking for spelling and grammatical errors. There are paid survey jobs that give you $5 to $10 to $50 per survey, where you can input your opinion about various products and services that you use and earn money online. There are graphic designing jobs where you can earn $15 to $40 per file format. All you have to do is design or Corel Draw and Photoshop graphics, and then you export them to various file formats. There's PowerPoint presentation jobs, earn $3 per PowerPoint slide. Preparing PowerPoint slides and adding proper animation and sound effects. Then there are spreadsheet entry jobs. You can earn 2 cents to 4 cents per cell, which is pretty big if you ask me. All you have to do is prepare and modify pivot tables in MS Excel format. Accuracy demanded. There are voice recognition jobs where you can earn $15 to $40 per assignment. Conversion of medical prescription slips into textual and audio format. Online advertisement, which you can get paid 5 cents per ad posted. Advertising new global web portals with easy tools provided by HireSign. It's pay-per-post sort of program. Language translation jobs earn $10 to $30 per page for 1,200 words. Translation of various document formats from one language to another. We are going to choose proofreading jobs because that's the highest paying job and the easiest one to do. And you have got to trust us on this. Become an online virtual proofreader and earn money by finding and correcting typogrammatical errors made by others, and that is what we're going to choose. We're going to be choosing the proofreading jobs, and that's where it's going to take you, is to here. Technical requirements: you must be having minimum 16-year-old or above, so you have to be at least 16 years old or above. Then you should have a desktop or a laptop PC carrying reasonable hardware configuration. You should have Microsoft Office installed on your working PC, of course. You should have a reliant internet connectivity and a mobile phone so that you can remain in touch with your client and you can communicate with them more efficiently. Some skill requirements would be that you have to at least have elementary skills in proofreading. You have to have good knowledge of internet-based applications, and ability to represent yourself before clients whenever required, good communication skills, ability to manage time efficiently to produce good results, and quick to learn and grasp new things/concepts. Some benefits are competitive pay. There's $5 to $10 for each page, exceeding to the US average hourly wage for proofreaders. Flexible hours, free from 9 to 5, job work when you want, right from your living room in any time zone, and great colleagues. You have a huge virtual network, connect with some of the world's top English proofreaders. If you guys are having fun with today's video and loving everything that we're showing you so far, make sure that you show your love and support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel and commenting on absolutely anything. Make sure that you also hit the notification bell so that you're going to be notified whenever we have a new video posted. So let's keep going. To apply, click on Apply to be an online proofreader. Then you're going to be taken to this page, and then you're going to scroll down a bit till you see this. Then select on Submit Job Application, then another web page, and do the same thing. Scroll down a bit till you see this. Then click on Apply Now, and finally you're on the application form. And you're just gonna fill this up like any other application, and once you submit your application, they're gonna send you a sample project. in an MS Word file format that you're gonna have to proofread, and that should look like this. And you're probably thinking, I don't know how to proofread, so did I just waste my time watching this video? Well, that's wrong. We have just the trick, and if you stayed until this part of the video, then you're very fortunate, so let's get right into it. From the MS Word file, you're going to copy the entire text and open up Google Docs and paste it on Google Docs. As soon as you paste this on Google Docs, you will notice all of the red lines and blue lines under certain words, which are basically the mistakes in the text. If you click on those mistakes, Google Docs will provide you with the correction automatically. So all you're going to need to do is click on all of the mistakes or all of the words with the underlined blue and red lines and click on the corrections until there are no mistakes left. And just like that, you don't even have to do the proofreading yourself because Google Docs basically did everything for you. Once you've done that, just download this file, submit it to HireSign, and ta-da! Wait for the acceptance email because you for sure will get accepted. And money, money, money. Now remember, you can do as many projects as you can and as you want and make as much money as you possibly can as well. So make sure that you follow everything that we taught you because that's the only way that you're gonna make a lot of money. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, then make sure that you comment that down below. Or if you just want to show us some love, then make sure you do so by commenting. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.